God, I pray that tower would not do something that I don't know what they're saying. Just protect me, Lord God, on these 3 full stop landings. Be with me, Lord God, and allow me to honor this opportunity that you've given me and keep me safe and my CFI safe and everyone else that is flying around me. Thank you. Just pretend Steve is right there next to me. He's just probably telling me to slow down. Stop here, because there's always, there's a little truck coming. Okay, Abby, you've done this not a million times. I've actually only done this like 8 times, but 3 for hotel at runway 25, ready for departure, staying the pattern for 3 full stop landings.
Listen, 9134 Hotel, Charter Tower, use caution for the helicopter traffic over the Alpha and Bravo taxiways. Make left close traffic, report midfield downwind, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Runway 25, cleared for takeoff, report midfield downwind, field downwind, left traffic, runway 25, just like I did with Steve. But keep in mind, they can change it and put right pattern on me, and then everything is going to be, I don't want them to scream at me, especially because he's the nice guy today, so I don't want him to be upset at me. Beautiful day to solo, baby! Report midfield, downwind, midfield, downwind, midfield, downwind. 3-4 hotel, midfield, downwind.
Set the 3-4 hotel, runway 25, clear to land.
Runway 25, clear to land, 3-4 hotel, thank you. And I'm scanning for traffic just because it's kind of cloudy today. You can't really see it, and I am not going to move you guys around too much because I'm not dying. Okay, I'm a little bit high. So far it's going great. It cleared out a little bit. It was crowded this morning 20 minutes ago, but it cleared out pretty quickly. Just hanging out. I'm alone right now. This is so awesome! Woo! Being the numbers, pulling the carb heat, and putting that 10 notch of flaps, keeping an eye on those clouds. No, just scanning for traffic. Okay, I'm at 70, perfectly at 70. I wish Steve was here to see this, Steve. My base a little further out than normal, but I need time to configure this plane. I need time to get right with myself. Okay, I'm pulling a full idle because I'm at 1,000. A little bit, okay. Okay, I like this. It would be so sick to touch down right in front of him, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think I'm going to be a little bit beyond. Okay, and I'm intercepting the Vazi guide slope right here.
Oh, Jesus, be with me.
This is going to be my first real landing. And it's full stop, Abby. Okay, now glide slope is saying I'm low, but I'm on the runway. It's okay. Pull gently back.
Operation 3213 Zulu, ground, crossing the grass, pilot runners approved, taxi to runway 25 via Bravo and Bravo 7.
That was the most beautiful thing I've done in my life. It's taxi, baby. Oh, I hope Marv is working right now. I hope he's working and he sees me on my solo. And I hope he sees that grease landing and he's like, you know what? She got the keys stuck in our cabinet yesterday like a doofus, but I think she's capable. Down 2 to go. Let's just have fun with this and keep your eyes open. Ears open for ATC 2. Because with these clouds, there might be something I do not see. Now I'm just lined up and waiting. It's been exactly 12 minutes, so that landing and takeoff and everything took about 12 minutes, which seems really long, actually, but it is a pretty wide pattern, I guess. And he's leaning against the hood of his truck, and he looks really relaxed, so I mean, that's a good sign, too, because he was nervous, but it wasn't making me nervous, because I knew I was ready.
312, stay altitude?
X-ray, the student, I don't know if the student over there was cleared first, or I was, but we're all just waiting.
System 9134 Hotel, follow the departing Cessna, make left close traffic, report midfield downwind, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25, report midfield downwind, follow the Cessna. I'm a little bit close to that Cessna. We're just like close in the pattern, so I want to give him plenty of room to live his life and not worry about me. 3-4 Hotel, midfield downwind for runway 25, full stop.
3-4 Hotel, the Cessna ahead of you is attention go, you're number 2, runway 25, clear to land.
Runway 25, clear to land, number 2 behind Cessna, 3-4 Hotel, thank you.
So the 3-4 Hotel, this be another taxi back?
Yeah, another taxi back.
Roger.
I don't know what he said. I don't know if he was like, woohoo! Up the Vazi any second now, and if I'm high, it's okay. I can always land and taxi at the very end, that's okay too. Steve is watching me. Okay. Gotta make him proud.
Shutdown, go out.
Like a butterfly.
Shutdown, power, Skyhawk 4788. System 9134 Hotel, Charter, hold short runway 25 for landing traffic.
Holding short for landing traffic, runway 25, 34 hotel, thank you.
That I could live for.
Cessna 9134 Hotel, follow the departing Cessna, make left close traffic, report midfield downwind, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25, 34 hotel, follow close traffic, report midfield downwind, thank you. Ops and carb heat are on, I didn't say it, but I am configuring to bring this baby in! Woo! Thumb slips like a millimeter, ATC will be able to hear everything that I'm saying. Showing I'm still high. Intercepting Vazi right here. I always intercept it right over the river. Then pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Okay. And I'll foot on the runway. It's taxi up to Steve all alone. By myself. He's already out of the plane. Feel like, hey Steve, what's up? I'm choking myself. Did a thumbs up, so I think that means friends with me.
Begin your request.
Flaps are all the way up. Carb heat is off. Strobes off. Off. Landings off. Taxi light off. Pitot heat off. Mixture to full idle. Let's turn everything off. 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 Turn off engine. Woo! Oh man! Try to make a square, not a circle.
I'm trying to make it real big so you can, when you get home, you can cut it any way you want to. The hard part about this is not cutting your armpit or something.
Injure your student right after they solo.
No, I don't want to do that.
Really? Cut it really good.
Yeah.
Okay, my airspeed's like really trying to kill me right now and I don't appreciate it.